This is a quick video to show what is inside of the course Oregon Math Project Tools for Math Reform and Adoption. When you enter into your Free for Teachers account, you'll see this as a tile if you've enrolled in the course. And when you head here, you're going to see some key information about the course. So just kind of briefly stating what some of these main points are, there are 6 different modules for people who are K-12 teachers of math, math specialists, anybody involved in math adoption work. It's recommended that you participate in all 4 of these Canvas modules. They will be rolling out over the next 5 months. There's also a module dedicated to administrators. We're especially thinking about people who are working at the building level right now. And there's going to be a shorter module dedicated to counselors. You'll also see that in addition to release dates, this is sharing links for registering for in-person PD. Now, in-person PD, these days will be at the Clackamas ESD and they'll be rolling out over the next few months. But the idea is that these days will happen a few days after the Canvas module launches. And so this will be a time for math adoption leaders, math TOSAs to come together and think about how to use the module in your context to help with your adoption work. So that's the idea of these in-person days. If that sounds like a fit for your role and how you're working with your district, go ahead and click on this registration link and you can go ahead and sign up here. We also have an option for people who are going through the module. So let's say you're a high school teacher, you're working through this belonging module, it's part of the adoption work happening in your district. You're going to have an opportunity to come to a virtual meetup to talk about what you're learning in the module, how it might relate to some of the work happening in your classroom, reforms you're already trying. So this will be a place to kind of talk and think about the use of the module in your practice. So we have 4 dates associated with each of those modules. They will run from 4 to 5 on Zoom, and the single link will get you into all of those study groups. Let's take a little look at what happens when you click on these Canvas modules. So you'll notice that this one, at the point that this video is being made, October 31st has not happened yet. But when I click on the link, I'm still able to see some basic information. The release date is here. It gives an overview of what will be in this module when it launches. There's a reminder of what audience this is for and the different types of PD and study groups that you can access. You'll be able to navigate back to the homepage, and if you have any questions, you can reach out. So feel free to check on these different things and you can learn more about what is in each module.